Hello, fellow students. I am learning 6th grade math geometry, and in this video I'm going to try and solve 4 word problems about surface area. So let's start. Okay, I can copy the question to the board. An ice carving competition. At an ice carving competition, each carver starts with a block of ice with the dimensions below. The block is wrapped in a special reflective material to keep it from melting before the competition starts. How much reflective material is needed to cover the block completely without any overlaps? Give an exact answer, do not round. Okay. So, the block of ice, okay, let's see, the base of the prism has an area of 1.3 times 0.8. So 1.3 times 0.8. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 2 is 10. And I have 2 digits to the right of the decimal point, so I need to shift the decimal point 2 places to the left, so the answer is 1.04. Okay, so the base has the same area as the top face. Okay, the top face here has the same dimensions as the base, the bottom face, which is 1.3. This is also 1.3. This is also 0.8. 0.8. So the top has the same area as the bottom, which is 1.04. Okay, now the front face, which is this big rectangle here. The front face has an area of 1.3 times 1.1, because the height of the prism is 1.1, same as here. So 1.3 times 1.1, this is the rectangle in the front. So this equals 1.3 times 1.1. 1.3 is 3, 1.1 is 1, 1.3 is 3, 1.1 is 1. Together I add them up. This is 3, 1.3 is 4, and this is 1, and I have 2 digits to the right of the decimal point, so 1, 2. So this is 1.43. So the front face has an area of 1.43, and the back face, which is the area in the back, has the same area as the front. So the back has also an area of 1.43. Okay, now the left side. The left side has an area of 0.8, which is this side, 0.8 times the height, which is 1.1. So the left face has an area of 1.1 times 0.8, which is, I'm keeping all the calculations, so if I make a mistake, I can then review my answer and see where I made a mistake. So I'm just keeping it for further reference. Okay, so 1.1 times 0.8, 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 1 is 8, and I need to shift the decimal point 2 places to the left because I have 2 digits to the right of the decimal point, so the answer is 0.88. So this is the left face, and the right face is the same area as the left face. This one here is the same area, so the right face is also 0.88. So if I add them all up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces, so 1.04 plus 1.04 plus 1.43 plus 1.43 plus 0.88 plus 0.88. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 plus 8 is 22, 22 plus 8 is 30, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19, 19 plus 8 is 27, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So the entire surface area of this prism is 6.7 meters squared. Good. Mir is building a birdhouse that looks like a castle. The diagram shows the roof of the birdhouse. He plans to paint the roof red, but needs to know the surface area to buy the right amount of paint. Okay, so the base of this this is a pyramid. Okay, so the base of the pyramid has an area of 0.4 times 0. Base is square, right? The base is square. Is an area of 0.4 times 0.4. And we have 4 triangles where each triangle is a base of 0.4 and height of 0.6. And we have 4 of these triangles. Okay. Okay, so the base of the square pyramid is 0.4 times 0.4. Okay, so 4 times 4 is 16, and I need to shift the decimal point 2 places to the left, so 0.4 times 0.4 is 0 times 0.16. This is the basic. Now each triangular face has an area of 1/2 times the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle, which is 0.6. This equals okay, 1/2 times 0.4 times 0.6 is 1/2 times 0.4 is 0.8. Let's see, 0.5 times 0.4, 4 times 5 is 20, so it's 0.2, okay, 0.2, 1/2, yeah, 1/2 of 4/4 is 2/4, okay, so 1/2 times 0.4 is 0.2, and 0.2 times 0.6 2 times 0.6 is 0.12. 2 times 6 is 12, and I have two digits to the right of the decimal point, so the area of each triangle is 0.12. And I have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 0.12 is 0.48. So the entire surface is the base 0.16 plus 4 triangles, which is 0.48. 6 plus, I need to add them both together, 6 plus 8 is 14. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6. So the entire surface area is 0.64 meters squared. 0.64. Okay, an artist is building a pedestal out of wood that will be used to display a piece of sculpture, which She plans to cover the pedestal with tile. How much tile will it take to cover the pedestal, including the bottom? Okay, so this is a triangular prism. So I have the front face, which is 16 by 30, and the left face, which corresponds to this face here. Okay, so it has dimensions of 10 times 30, okay, same height, and on the other side we have this face. So it has the same dimensions of 10 times 30. This rectangle has a base of 10 and a height of 30. So this base and the height of 30. And in the front, or the base of the prism, this green triangle here is an area of 16 and height of 6. Okay, so let's see. So we have 16 times 30. Let's give them letters. Okay, so let's say this is the front, this is the base, this is the top, this is the left side, and this is the right side. So the front face, the rectangle in the front, this one here, is an area of 16 times 30. 16 times 30. 3 times 16 is 48. So it's 480. Okay, the left face is an area of 10 times 30, which dimensions, 10 times 30, so it's 300. And each triangle at the base and at the top. Triangle base. Area is 1/2 times 16 times 6. So 1/2 times 16 is 8. 8 times 6 is 48. And we have another triangle at the top. Another 48. Okay, so in total we have 480 plus 300 for the left face, plus 300 for the right face, plus 48 for the triangular base, plus 48 for the triangle at the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add them all up. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 1,176 centimeters square. And 176. Okay, the outstanding O's cereal box has been redesigned with a new size and shape. They created this net to represent the material they needed. How much material will it take to make the new box with no overlaps? Okay. So this is 20, and this is 8. So this is the top triangle. Okay. The back triangle is 20 by 30, so this is 30. And the base is also 8 by, the rectangle at the base is 8 by 20. The left face is 8 by 30. And the front face is 20 by 30. Okay, so I have all the dimensions I need. So let's calculate the area of this entire rectangle here. So we have 8 2 times 16 and 22 times. So the entire length from here to here is 16 plus 40. So this is 40 times 30. So the entire layer shaded, the area that I shaded in yellow has an area of 56 times 30. 56 times 30, which is 50 times 30 is 1500. 4 times 3 is 15 plus 2, 0. And 6 times 30 is 180. So this is 1680. Plus we need to add 20 times 8 is 160 for each of these flaps, or the bottom and the top. Okay, so plus 160 plus 160. So the entire surface area is, okay, let me write it. In ordered fashion. Okay, so this is 0, 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So this is 2,000 centimeters squared. Let me just verify. So okay, good. Okay. So in the next video, I will take quiz number 3, which is about surface area. So I will see you in the next video.